Zephaniah was not an ordinary man. He came from royal blood. He prophesied during the reign of King Josiah of Judah. The land was filled with idolatry and corruption. God's judgment was near. A great and terrible day of the Lord was coming. Zephaniah warned Judah of destruction. God would destroy false gods. Corrupt leaders would not escape judgment. The Lord would search Jerusalem with lamps. Silver and gold cannot save on that day. The judgment would reach all nations. Philistia would face ruin. Moab and Ammon would fall in pride. Even mighty Assyria would collapse. Nineveh would become a desolation. Seek the Lord, all you humble. Perhaps you will be sheltered. A humble and faithful remnant would remain. God would purify the lips of nations. They would call on the Lord together. Jerusalem would be restored. The Lord will rejoice over you with singing. Fear will be removed forever. God will gather his scattered people. He will turn shame into praise. The Lord your God is with you. He is mighty to save. Zephaniah's message ended with hope. The day of the Lord is real. Judgment comes, but restoration belongs to God.